So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add filters to images using the Canva mobile app. So once you have the Canva mobile app open up on your iPhone or your iPad, next step I want you to do is obviously add an image to your design. So we're going to go to the bottom left hand side of the screen right here, press on this purple circle. Once you're on this screen, I'm currently on the text tab. I actually want to just scroll this bottom bar all the way to the left to where it says elements. So right between design and camera, there's elements on the left hand side. So we're going to press on elements right here. I'm going to press on it one more time to get back to the main screen. We're just going to search up an element and search up a photo of some cars. We're going to go ahead and search up cars here. I'll actually search up luxury cars. Why not? I'm going to go to the photos tab here. So if I wanted to maybe use, what's a good example? How about we use this car right here? So we're going to use this car. Now if I wanted to add a filter to it, it's super simple. I want you to press on the image. I want you to go to this bottom bar right here. A whole bunch of different options: replace, effects, filters, adjust. I want you to press on filters right here. So right in between effects and adjust, press on filters. Then once you're on this screen, a whole bunch of different options you can select from to add filters to this design. If you want to press on the fresco filter, if you want to press on the Belvedere filter, Flint, Luna, you basically name it, you can play around with it, a whole bunch of different options. If you want to go to the warm tab, you can add a warm filter. You can add whatever filters you want, sort of play around with it. It doesn't really matter. A whole bunch of different options that you have in Canva. So if I wanted to press soft here and use this filter, and I like that, if you want to maybe edit it a little bit more, press on it one more time to get to this screen, and you can change the intensity of this filter, making it more intense or less intense. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to exit out. And basically, that is how you guys can add a filter to an image here using the Canva mobile app. I hope this video helps.